The hell motor's in here? Steve here, Shenarcina with the legendary Super Hot Shot. I had this when I was a little kid. I built the re-release just like it, same colors. I used this beauty one time, and this is the second run. We're gonna hit it in the snow. Let's see what she could do. So far, she's not doing too well. There she goes. Wide open. That's top speed, this little beauty here. Four-wheel drive, gripping like a beauty on the surface. Oh, there goes my wing. I don't think I put the clips on here. Nope. Just for that reason, so it would come off instead of breaking. So I left the clips off. Jumping. Go somewhere else with this beauty. It's so hard to walk on this snow. I'm sinking in. Oh, hey, what the hell did I hit there? Let's see what that was. Oh man, that's a nice jump. Let's try this out. Oh, but there's no room. Oh, come on. Cool buggy. To me, one of the awesomest looking buggies ever made. Yes, an awesomest is a word for a beauty like this. else we got here? Super hot shot, guys. See how it does off-road. Look at that suspension. You don't want to get close to these poles. Ah! Everything's intact. Let's test this four-wheel drive, guys. I'm going to see if we can get up there. I'm going to have to walk behind it. See if you can get up this hill. Not if you go in that. Take two. Alright, soft here. Yep, too many branches. I'm stuck. Too many branches here. One more try here. Let's see. We ain't gonna go through that. Let's go somewhere else. Ain't going in that neither. Oh, quarter pipe action. Looks like she's dead. Yep. She's dead, guys. Boy, this one dies out quick. And you get like 8.5 minutes or less. The hell motor's in here? I don't know, it's got some GT tune to my motor. Well guys, that's it for the Super Hot Shot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Works really good with the four-wheel drive. I should have brought a LiPo. I brought a regular NIM pack. Died out pretty quick. It's only a 3000. But the good old Hot Shot was a beauty. Guys, if you liked the video, leave me a thumbs up. Comment if you can. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you next time. Whew. I'm tired and cold. I walked pretty far with this thing now. I gotta walk all the way back. See you next time, guys. Maybe I can cruise it on low speed to get home. It ain't easy walking through this ice snow. Holy smoke. I gotta walk like a block, guys. I'll see you next time.